Hi, this is Alistair at Windrush London. Welcome to 2026 in the bunker. As part of a new and slightly different series, we're going to be taking you through some of the day-to-day stuff that happens down here, just so you can see how we operate on a day-to-day basis.
Just pulled out this Bentley Mulsanne Speed, doing the finishing prep out process on it. It's already been processed in before, so there's not much to do apart from triple check the bodywork, make sure there's no smears, triple check the tyres, make sure they're all pumped up to the right capacity, windows, hoover, basically just make sure everything's A1, and then make sure it's MOT'd and taxed still, put it in the drop zone for the client. Send them the details for when they're ready to pick it up.
Oh, this is our electric scooter that we use here at Windrush, and it's literally probably the best tool we have. It helps us immensely just getting around this big facility. So yeah, great tool.
So this is an interesting time of year for us because I think we're quite used as a business to the summertime when, as you'd expect, cars are in and out, clients are driving, there's a huge amount going on, and actually this place is a real hive of activity. On a busy summer's weekend, we see 25, 30 car movements, no problem. This time of year, it is literally the opposite. We are doing pure storage. The cars are tucked away. So the drop zone is our 24-hour accessible collection and deliveries bay, which the clients love. It enables us to operate all 24 hours a day, all year round. At the moment, it's completely empty. There's nothing coming and going. The weather's pretty horrible. And that is pretty unusual because in the summertime, that again is a real hive of activity. There's loads of stuff in there, people dropping off, people collecting, clients catching up with each other. We're very fortunate here at Windrush London to look after so many lovely vehicles for our clients. In response to the demand we're seeing, I'm pleased to say we have recently acquired some more space at the facility, which you can see behind me, and we don't anticipate that this is going to hang around long. So this gives us an additional 25 spaces. It's quite interesting to note that that's the size of space that we originally started with here in London, and this additional 25 bays takes us up close to the 300 marker. And we don't expect these additional spaces to remain empty for long. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed that. It's just a glimpse of a typical day down here in Windrush. Stay tuned for more of the same and more examples of the Windrush way in episodes to come.